Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mamta Mehta and today I have brought in haul video for you all. So Nykaa was running an amazing sale on their website, so I thought why not to grab some offers and save on some money. And I was running out on some of my essentials and I thought why not to stock them up. Let's see what all things I purchased from the Nykaa sale. So without wasting any more time, let's just dive into the video. So the first thing which I purchased was this Garnier Micellar water. For reels and for making videos, I normally do a little bit of makeup, and for that I wanted a makeup remover. I was running out of my Nivea cleansing milk, so that's why I thought to give this a shot. First time I'm going to try this product, so let's see how does this work. I always stick to my Nivea cleansing milk, but I've heard such great reviews about this, so I hope this turns out to be good. Next up, I purchased a body wash and body lotion, and these are by Saint Eves. I had heard Dinkle from Glamorous Journal use this, and she had raved about this product. So I thought why not to give this a shot. And this is a little creme based formula, so it will not leave your skin dry. That's what I assume. Otherwise, normally the gel based shower gels, they sometimes leave your skin a little bit dry. So I thought why not to give this a shot. This is the oatmeal and shea butter body wash, and this is in the soothing variant. This is by Saint Eves. And they had some amazing offers going on this. I think some 25 to 30% off, and this is the 400 ml bottle, so I thought why not to give this a shot. I think this is going to last me for ages. The other product which I purchased by Saint Eves is this blueberry lotion. It is blueberry, chia seed and acai lotion, and this is 621 ml, and even this was on around 25 to 35% off. And I've really heard some very good reviews about this particular product too, so I thought why not to give it a try. And because I purchased two products from Saint Eves, I got this Saint Eves apricot scrub with it free. Another purchase of mine is this Lakme Absolute Kohl Kajal in the shade purple. I really wanted to buy some colored liners and colored kohls, so this is one I purchased, the Lakme Absolute.
One eternity later.
And it also comes with this smudge at the other end, and I'll show you exactly the kohl, how it looks like. This is in purple. So this is how it looks like. It is a dark purple shade, but it looks so beautiful. Next, I purchased a product from Biotique. This is their revitalizing anti-fatigue eye gel. This is how it looks like. I was searching for an eye gel, and one of my friends recommended this to me. So this is my first purchase. I'm not sure how the product is, so I'll just give it a try and let's see how does this go. So because it's lockdown and we all are not going to parlors, I also purchased this Venus razor. I always use a razor. It's been years I'm using razors, so I was just running out of my razor blades, and Gillette was running an amazing some 35 to 45% off on razor with two blades. So I again stocked it up. This is the gel bar with avocado oil. So got two blades with it, and Gillette has some amazing razor. The previous razor which I used is the blue variant. It comes with aloe vera gel, and this comes with avocado. So a very trustworthy product. I really like their products. I purchased one sheet mask. Again, one of my friends has recommended me this particular sheet mask. This is the Pond's Wrinkle Correcting Serum Mask, and it is with some avocado extract and retinol. So this is how it looks like. I've just purchased one because I just wanted to give it a shot, try how the product is, because my friend recommended me and she raved about this. So I wanted to just give it a try. I've never ever tried Pond's sheet mask. I always use Face Shop sheet mask. So let's see how this turns out. And the last product which I purchased was this Super Stay Ink Crayon by Maybelline. And this is in the shade Settle for More. This is a very dark shade and I really like dark shade lipsticks. So I purchased this. I'll just open and I'll show you the shade, how it looks like. This comes in a retractable pencil form, and this is a very dark movie tone. I'll just show you at the back of my hand. It is so creamy and so buttery. This is exactly like wine color. You can see how it looks like. It looks amazing on black tops, or maybe like for evening parties. I really love this shade, and it is like very long lasting. It's a crayon formula. So this is my next purchase. Another product by St. Ives is this body lotion. And the other product that I purchased was this body lotion. This is by Ocean in blueberry and acai and chia seed. And
A few moments later.
And the other product which I purchased by St. Ives, next I purchased this revitalizing. Up next I purchased a product from
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
and some things which were on very good discount, so I thought why not to pick it up. So that was it guys. This was my mini Nykaa haul. Some things which I actually wanted and some things which were on great discount, so I thought why not to stock them up. So this was like my mini Nykaa haul. If you like this video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my video. Till then, take care. Bye.